Question 5 of this exercise says the number of students in a hostel speaking different languages is given below. Display the data in a pie chart. So we have to draw a pie chart. So we need central angle of each of the following languages. So let's find the central angle, and we know how to find central angle. That is the value of the observation divided by the total value multiplied by 360 degree. So let's start with Hindi. As we can see that the number of people, the number of students speaks Hindi are 40 out of 72 multiplied by 360 degree. So on solving this, we will get 200 degree. So the central angle of Hindi is 200 degree. Now let's move on to English. So for English, it is 12 divided by 72 into 360 degree, and on solving this we will get 60 degree as the central angle of English. Now let's move on to Marathi. So there are 9 people who speaks Marathi out of 72 multiplied by 360 degree, and on solving this we will get 45 degrees. Now let's move on to Tamil. So as we can see that there are 7 people who speaks Tamil out of 72 multiplied by 360 degree, and on solving this we will get 35 degree as the central angle. Now let's move on to Bengali. So as we can see that there are 4 people out of 72 who speaks Bengali. So on solving this we will get the central angle of Bengali as 20 degree. Now we have the central angle for each of the languages. Now we can draw a pie chart. Now we have the central angles. So we will draw 200 degree, and this is the center of the circle. Using a protractor we will draw 200 degree, and that is for Hindi. So this is how we will draw for Hindi, which is 200 degrees. Now let's draw for English, that is 60 degrees. So it will be somewhere like this. If you draw 60 degree, so it will be somewhere like this using a protractor. So this is how we will draw for Marathi, that is 45 degree, and in the similar way we will draw for Bengali and Tamil. So we'll draw a line like that which is 35 degrees. So this is how we will draw for Tamil, and the rest that will be left over is of Bengali. So this is how we will draw the pie chart.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.